Hi there, this is Kevin from the Insulation Warehouse. This is a demonstration of the 3D insulation design that we put together for customers for new build work. We provide this to builders or to people that are managing their own build or just want to go through a consultation process. The 3D design is put together by us. It includes underfloor where required, wall and ceiling insulation. So I just would like to take you through and show you exactly what we do, what we would provide to you if you choose us as somebody to work with on your insulation design, supply and install. We always provide an image of the property with the address. It's just blanked out for the purpose of this demonstration. We show the insulation quantities that go through to the quote as well. And then we provide exactly this type of video as a walkthrough for customers so that they can watch it and we can talk them through exactly what we're recommending. When we do the takeoff, this is the plan for this particular house. It's a multi-level or split level property, as you can see, and we do it to scale. We add all of the doors and windows to scale so we get a very accurate takeoff of insulation. As we click on each of these surfaces, it tells us the exact square meters that's required. For walls, we deduct 10% for timber framing. So again, just all about accuracy. The two colours that you see, or three colours, white is where we're not insulating. The yellow is the external walls that we're recommending to insulate or that we've taken from the plan specification. And then the blue is an acoustic insulation recommendation. More often not allowed for in plans, so we see it as very important and a great opportunity. You only get to do it once before the walls are lined, to put a bit of insulation in the walls, in particular between bedrooms and bathrooms, between bedrooms and living spaces. So that's something that we always recommend. It's not about doing every single wall. As you can see, there's spaces here between a scullery and the kitchen that it's just not necessary. And in this particular house, they also didn't want to insulate the garage. So the external walls of the garage are white, no insulation, and then the internal walls are yellow, which means that there's going to be external wall insulation there. So the next thing we do is that we bring in the ceiling insulation to show what we're doing there. And I'll just bring that in here. And there you can see just a nice simple diagram of the ceiling spaces. So in this particular house, it's got flat ceiling over the bedrooms and bathrooms, and then over the living space it's got a sloped ceiling with skillion insulation. So we show those surfaces separately and add together all of the square meters. So nice and thorough, gives you a very clear view of what we're recommending. There's no underfloor insulation for this property, but that's a design from the Insulation Warehouse, accompanied with a detailed PDF quote. If it's something that you're interested in getting us to have a look at, we would appreciate that opportunity. All our contact details are on the page where you've watched this video. Thanks very much.